All right, Tom here. So we got an under slab sewer leak, under slab sewer leak. So when they built these only built about 10 years ago, but really poorly constructed. And let me show you what's happening. So basically, they've got a sewer line that runs up under the house, soft soil. They didn't compact things well. They have basically, you're going to see when we walk up to the steps here, that here's the bulk of the house here. The steps were poured and not really well supported. So that put pressure on the sewer line. Sewer line dropped until it stressed so bad it broke about 10 feet up under the slab inside the structure. So we'll take a look here. And so you can see, take a look right here. This is already dropped. I mean, from being flat, and there's some angle on here, but it's dropped, you can see, probably dropped 4 or 5 inches here in the front. You can see over there, dropped 2 inches there. So that's laying on this pipe that's heading to the sewer, and it snapped it off inside. So I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna do. First we had a plumber come out here, pinpointed the break. I could see it was offset like that. I saw a lot of purple. That's the dye from the glue. It tells me that it broke at a joint. When you see all that purple, it means it's near a joint or an elbow. So anyways, so I got there, we pinpointed it, and ran the camera up. The camera acts as a sensor, so it goes up. You've seen me fix under slab leaks and things before, but we ran the sensor up, pinpointed it, marked it inside the floor, and now we busted out the floor, and now we're digging it all up, and we're gonna fix it up. And what we're gonna do here, I probably need to tear this out, this concrete out, and re-pour it, to be quite honest. But I think what we're gonna do is when we're gonna cut and reconnect, but I'm just gonna use a rubber boot. It's not how I would do it. It was brand new construction, but I'm worried about this thing flexing more, to be honest, because if they built this on soft soil, they probably did the same with the whole house. And so if there is any flexing, it'll be in a rubber boot. It'll absorb it and it won't snap and break like it did this last time. So you can see down here, you can see it's kind of deep. And it's only right in, like about 10 feet inside the house. All right, so you can see we pinpointed the leak, and the break was almost about where my finger is, but we didn't want to mess the floor up. It's a wood floor. So we're only gonna have to tear up and replace the tile inside this little laundry room. So we broke it in here. There was a PEX water pipe that was actually sitting in the concrete, which really shouldn't be, I don't think. But we broke it, and so we'll have to fix the PEX pipe. The guys dug this out all yesterday, and then they finally hit gold. And you can see there's our pipe that was coming in that was under pressure. It snapped right here. Yeah, see, it snapped there. And so the purple, I knew when I saw the purple, because the pipe was offset like this, like almost fully offset. I could see the purple. Yes, shit, yeah, I know. I've got to wash this finger now. But so we also had a secondary break beyond that too, on the elbow. Yep, right there, right there. So we're gonna fix this mess and put it back together, and then fill it, and then pin the concrete, re-pour the concrete, and then we'll probably let the homeowner worry about his tile. This is a friend of mine's property, and so kind of doing this as a favor to take care of it. But anyhow, that's it. You know, that's you got to do what you got to do. But there really is no easy way to take care of this stuff. This is the way you got to do it. You got to dig it up, dig down. Anyways, that's it. So hey, FlipAnythingUSA.com. Get my book, Wake Up and Smell the Real Estate. You want to learn how to make money in real estate? You found the right place. FlipAnythingUSA. Hit that subscribe button. See ya. Hey, mentorship makes millionaires. You don't think so? Go to FlipAnythingUSA.com and look at my students. Video testimonials. You'll see them in front of their buildings. Some of my students now have over 50,000 square feet of real estate. You want to scale up? You want to go from your 200,000 up to 10 million? It's possible, but you got to get started. And you got to start with a good mentor. Many of you have money, but you don't know what to do with it. Make an investment in yourself. Go to FlipAnythingUSA.com. I hope I talk to you soon.